you want to spend a second just telling the folks what SQLcl is, Gerald, before we wrap up?
Yeah, so SQLcl is like, it's this love or hate thing, I think, out there. So Maria and I are both big fans. SQLcl, short for SQL command line, is an alternative to SQL Plus. And again, there's no right or wrong. It's just what people prefer. I say it's this love-hate thing because core SQL Plus users that actually know all the commands that you can do with SQL Plus and so forth kind of stick to SQL Plus, and there's nothing wrong with that. SQL Plus is a great tool, still actively developed as well. I certainly don't know many of the commands in SQL Plus. I'm frankly too young for it. But what always sort of annoyed me a bit with SQL Plus was that I didn't have the command history, although this did come with the last version as well. SQLcl is a different touch on it. It's again from the SQL developer folks. They have taken the core runtime of SQL Developer, the pieces, the engine that executes a SQL statement and so forth, and have given it to you as a command line interface as well. And you have nice things like command history, command completion as well. Tab works nicely if you have dbms_JSON .tab. It will actually list you all the nice functions and so forth that you have in the package, or table names and so forth. And it also allows you for a little bit more customization. So it's a Java-based tool, so happily comes with or without JVM if you like. So I mean, Java is pretty much on every system anyway, so you just download it and spin it up. And because of that, you have some nice little gadgets that you can play around with. So for example, you can write some SQLcl specific scripts and JavaScript if you like. So if you would like to, have just some custom commands in your SQLcl, you can write those easily in some JavaScript or Java source files, I believe, and plug them in. It does Unicode as well. So the development manager, Chris Rice, is always very happy, and I think Jeff Smith as well, to have in their prompts some beers, some beer emojis, rather than, SQL arrow and so forth, and you can come up with anything you like. But it's just a nicer touch and feel to it, my personal experience. So I'm a big fan of SQLcl. Again,
we did get a follow-up question, Gerald.
Sure.
Do we know if SQLcl will be included in the Oracle Home going forward?
Yes, should be. I'm actually thinking whether it not already is on 18c, but it will be included, as far as I know, in the Oracle Home and the Oracle install as well, so that you have it there, just like, SQL developers sort of in the Oracle Home as well, for give or take. So sometimes you wonder why you want to do that, or some people may wonder why you want to do that, but again, different use cases. So some people are not allowed to install additional software on the machines and so forth, but as it ships with the Oracle Home in itself, you can use anything that's in there, because they trust what we ship as Oracle is secure and everything. So you will still have SQL Developer or SQLcl in the Oracle Home as well.